We are seeing two major troubled developers, China Vanke and Country Garden, reporting this week. So both of them have been facing sales plunges and then losses as well. So for China Vanke, even though they did secure a loan to avoid, it's a default, property woes is still shaking investors' confidence as well, because investors have earlier regarded the firm to be one of the more stable players in the Chinese property sector as well. And then for Country Garden, we are going to see losses deepen as well. So their cash crunch is also not looking very good with falling sales as well. And earlier they also received. So a Hong Kong court had ordered, had received a creditor's petition to wind up the company as well. Yeah. So the earnings outlook for both of these major developers, they are not looking good for the Chinese property sector. So their earnings will sort of give a look on how, that the property sector is at the moment.
And of course, a lot of these banks that do have exposure to this property market are also going to be reporting. What's expected there?
Yeah, so earnings for major China banks like ICBC, BOC, Agricultural Bank of China later this week. That will also give an idea on where the property sector is heading as well. So earlier on, many of these major Chinese banks, they maintained their benchmark lending rates, and then also loans also grew the slowest on record in February, despite earlier easing of the fiscal and monetary steps. So we're seeing real estate troubles hitting these Chinese banks as well. So in terms of individual earnings wise, ICBC, they may see stagnant growth with such troubles, and also because of the stagnant economy. And then banks like Bank of China and also Agricultural Bank of China, for example, they will also be reporting low single-digit growth as well. Yeah.
Watching BYD reporting earnings as well at a time when the car maker is really discounting more aggressively than ever.
Yeah, so we are going to see BYD doing relatively well for this year. So BYD may see more focus on its market share and volume, as we can see the competition in the Chinese EV sector heating up really well. And then, but their profit is still expected to remain solid because of their exports and also their premium branding as well.